The AI has evolved. Now ChatGPT can talk and listen too. Welcome back, my fellow subscribers. It's time for some groundbreaking news on the tech side of the world. OpenAI, the renowned AI startup, has recently released a newer version of one of the most popular chatbots, ChatGPT, that can interact with you using spoken words. This means you can talk to the ChatGPT and it will talk back. Not only that, but the chatbot can even respond to your images. For instance, you can upload a picture of the inside of your refrigerator, and guess what? The chatbot provides you with all the possible dish options you can cook using the ingredients you have at that moment. Isn't that mind-boggling? We are here to check out how they've achieved this technological advancement and explore the ways this development could alter the chatbot industry as we know it. So grab your snack and let's dive straight into it. I am pretty sure some of you might be wondering why ChatGPT's latest upgrade is a big deal. Well, let me break it down for you. ChatGPT is the most powerful language model in the market and can answer virtually any question tossed its way within seconds. So what's new with the recent update and how does it work? ChatGPT can now understand and respond to voice commands. All you have to do is talk to it and it will answer you back. With 5 different synthetic voices, you can choose an option that suits your preference. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you are clueless about what to cook? Worry no more. With ChatGPT's latest update, you can take a picture of the ingredients you have, and the AI will recommend a list of dishes according to your ingredients. Within seconds, you have a solution at hand. One unique feature of the ChatGPT is its ability to leverage the latest version of GPT-3 to generate a human-like response that keeps the conversation flowing. This feature makes ChatGPT one of the few chatbots in the market that users can achieve some level of emotional intelligence. Thanks to its natural language processing ability, ChatGPT can provide prompt, well-structured, and accurate responses to complex queries from its users. With this new upgrade, it has become easier to use and more helpful. Moving beyond its unique features, let's delve into the practical applications of ChatGPT. This AI-powered tool is not limited to just answering queries or assisting in cooking. It can be utilized in various fields like content creation, customer service, and even education. Imagine having a tool that can help you generate creative content for your blog, or assist students in understanding complex subjects. ChatGPT can also act as a virtual assistant, managing your calendar and reminding you of important tasks. This versatility of ChatGPT makes it a valuable asset in today's digital age. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on AI advancements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.